the greatest legacy we can leave for our children? It is not money or the material things accumulated over the years in our lives. The greatest legacy, rather, is the character, the culture, the values, and the faith. That is the greatest legacy we can leave for our children, and that is the legacy which multiplies when they spend it. Ladies and gentlemen, our children are the next generation who will carry on this legacy for us and whatever we leave them today. Today's evening is all about children and all of us trying to keep in pace with this new digital generation. Magic Matrix also tried keeping in pace with the digital era and started in August this year with a vision to bring not just entertainment for the children but infotainment focusing primarily on the kids, the next generation who value the most. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to invite Ms. Neha Dhupia on the stage for the launch of the Magic Matrix logo. All right, so there is a magic word that you'll have to say, which will be launching it. We don't want our dignitaries to be touching too many things, keeping the COVID times in mind. So you'll have to say some magic words that you can think of. So Neha is also, apart from being Miss India that you have been, and she's also a new mom. So we would like you to think of something like a mom and say a few magic words, and the logo will magically appear.
Santa Claus. Huge congratulations to everybody who's a part of this. And of course, the entire Footnani family that's here next to me. Thank you very much for making me a part of this wonderful event. You're also very brave, like I mentioned. What is great about this city and everybody who's in the audience is that you're sitting far apart, you're sitting with your masks on. I'm the only one who's not with a mask, and I mean, we have a job to do, so you understand, and forgive us. But yeah, I mean, it's great to be here. What a fantastic evening, and that word also reminds me of what you're here to launch, which is fantastic, Tara. So congratulations on that. I had a brief meeting with the wonderful director of Fantastic Tara, Mr. Rajendra. I don't know where he is, right? There he is, everybody. The man behind Fantastic Tara. So congratulations to each and every one of you.
Let me tell you very frankly, it's a dreamy journey. His dreams from last 3 years. Yeah, lockdown helped us to go in depth of it. And this is definitely one thing that, he always wanted to do. How much cliche it might sound, but Manish is very fond of kids. So kids entertainment is something that is always on his mind. And we thought of this is a wonderful way to have passion, purpose, and profits together.
Yeah, good evening, everybody, and thank you, Neha Dhupia, to please come to and join us. It's really a pleasure that you have attended our function. And I'll just tell about what exactly made me to do this creative thing. At the lockdown, I was just sitting in the house, in the garden, and just doing my gardening, walking. So I just thought, why not? I was thinking 3 years back to make an entertainment park for children, but many people, they didn't support me. They said it's a lot of funds has to be pumped, and so things will be not that great. But this was there in my mind last 3 years. So then I just thought, why not I go, instead of making a park for the kids, make an animation, 3D animation, web series. Maybe in future I'll be planning to go for a movie or something. So this really took me, and the blessings of the elderly made me to do this thing. So that's a great. Thank you so much. Thank you. And the team, what he has created for me, for the Magic Matrix, is amazing. It's commendable. Words cannot express what actually he has done. He's behind like a pillar to me for this Magic Matrix. Thank you.
You have to say a few words, and you have to even mention last 7 days the team has not slept.
Yeah, actually I request my I can't take the whole credit because animation is very new for me. So I invite Srinivas and Sanjeev to join me on stage, and even Anmona, who wrote the story, to join on the stage. So yeah. So these are the people. So behind the story and behind the animation, and he is a very creative guy. They spend their whole lives in animation. They worked with DQ, they worked with Prana, and Anmona is a writer. She is writing from last 7 years. So we as a team, we did this script and everything. Now it's coming live because of Manish ji and Nayan. So they encouraged us. They give whatever we asked. That's why it's coming so well. So now we are waiting for Namrata. Please join, please.
Very warm welcome to Ms. Namrata.
Hi guys, now I want to tell you the flow of the events, what happened. So we started this as Manish ji said. So I worked for so many films like Bhishma and Bajrangi Bhaijaan story. Suddenly my son asked me, sir, Dad, are you not writing anything for children? So that sparked me so that I have to write something animation series for children especially. Then suddenly Manish bhai called and said, we want to do something for children content. It's a coincidence. Namrata ji came forward to do something for Sitara, and now we promise that all children in the world will entertain with Fantastic Tara.
Today is a very special day for Sitara, and I'm really proud and happy that she's associated with Fantastic Tara. It was, I think, a week ago when Rajendra Garu came and showed us the teaser. And the quality of the animation and just how he's developed the character. And I was really excited to know that they were inspired by Sitara. And when I showed Sitara that, she was even more excited. And this is something she wants to do and she wanted to do. And I'm simply encouraging her. So that's it from me. And I just wish the team all the best. And I hope you all reach new heights. Nayan and Manish ji. Wishing the whole team of all our animators absolutely all the best and a lot of success. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, get ready to applause. Ladies and gentlemen, here comes the poster for Fantastic Tara.
Thing is Fantastic Tara inspired by Sitara. That is the tagline. And we are very, very glad for this collaboration. Thank you, Namrata ji. Thank you, Sitara. I hope you are able to say that, Tara and Sitara are same.
Yeah. Actually, one of my best friends' name is Tara.
Wow.
All right, just for a very quick few minutes, we would like Mr. Jayesh Ranjan and Neha to please join us on the stage once again.
Hello everyone, I am very happy to launch the teaser for Fantastic Tara. Here it goes.
We all know, Mr. Jayesh Ranjan, the Principal Secretary, is heading the IT departments for Government of Telangana, which includes the animation industry also. So he's absolutely perfect.
Good evening, Namrata Garu, Neha ji. Most importantly, people of the moment, Mr. and Mrs. Phutnani, Mr. Rajender, the entire team members of Magic Matrix. This is a wonderful addition to the Hyderabad's animation, VFX and gaming landscape. I was just sharing with Neha ji that this is a very important industry for us. In 2014, Bangalore was #1, Bombay was second, and Hyderabad was way behind at third. But 6 years down the line, we have become the second largest industry in the country. And most importantly, our year-on-year growth is much higher than other comparable centers in the country. So we feel very proud of this industry. Some fantastic work is happening in both animation, VFX and gaming sectors. Some of you will know that the second most watched comic movie in the kids category ever on Netflix is actually a Hyderabad product. So you have that challenge to beat. You should ensure that your viewership of Fantastic Tara exceeds Chhota Bheem. Chhota Bheem is now the second most watched kids comic on Netflix. But of course, the quality of animation that we saw here in the trailer is amazing. So no reason why you should not be able to do that. Similarly, our track record for VFX is also absolutely fantastic. I'm sure all of you know this, that amazing quality work, international quality work in movies like Bahubali were all done by studios in Hyderabad. And in the gaming front also, we have made amazing progress. In fact, some of you will know that 7-8 months earlier, our national government banned lots of Chinese apps, lots of games, of course, for various other reasons. But at the same time, the national government launched a competition to identify homegrown games and other apps. And I'm very happy to share with you that in the gaming category, the game which won the first prize nationally, and this was a very, very competitive thing, was a game from Hyderabad. It was a cricket-based game called Hit Wicket. So this is a great industry, and the government is also investing quite a lot. The work on Image Tower, which is a 600,000 square feet facility exclusively for animation, gaming and VFX companies, is on the way, and hopefully in about a year and a half, we should be having it up and running, and then maybe your company can be one of the anchor clients in that new Image Tower. The government also is very conscious of one more responsibility, which is to create the right kind of skills which companies like yours require. I'm sure given the extremely high quality work that you do, you will also require extremely talented people, and obviously it is our responsibility to run good courses and make that kind of talent available. So once again, this is absolutely brilliant that you are beginning your journey today in the presence of such people.
OTT platforms, most of the entertainment with the children are westernized, which we don't mind really, but we as Indians, we as parents would also like that Indian culture to be there in the entertainment that we see on the television along with our children and family members together. What would you like to say about that?
I think it's a combination of fun, adventure, as well as, our culture, which is so inherently not there in animation. It's very Western in its approach. All animation programs that you see pretty much. I think Chhota Bheem is one which is very Indian. And we're trying to achieve that with Fantastic Tara, and I hope, I really hope that we can come up to a level that is relatable by all parents and their children.
And the best thing is that this one has got woman power in it, the little woman power, Fantastic Tara. Well, Neha, would you mind please quickly joining us on the stage? We've got good fun questions going on here.
Neha has a beautiful two-year-old now. Proud that she's here in spite of, having small baby at
I
home.
don't think it's that much about the baby. It's about getting the father to do all the work for one day. I'm just really proud of myself that I'm here.
That's true. That's true.
Well, I think that is true. You must be happy that I'm away for a little bit. Well, the same question goes for you. You have a little daughter, and as a mother also, when then she'll be growing up, all of you would be watching some entertainment together. So bringing the culture, the Indian heritage along with, of course, there is science also in Fantastic Tara. There are grandparents, there is school, there is summer holidays, there is naughtiness. What would you like to say about that? Thinking that when your daughter grows up and watches the homegrown animation and infotainment together.
I always think that the first few years and whatever little that I've read about, children is always the most impressionable. And that's the time they're actually not watching cinema, they're watching animation. And it's so important that, like I mentioned earlier, animation should be entertaining and more importantly, educational as well. I also loved Sitara's answer where she was just like, she's smart and she's funny and she's, intelligent and she's so gracious about the fact and so aware that she's all of the above and much more. And I love that, and I mean, ask me when I was 8 years old, what are you? And I'd be just like, oh, I'm shy. That's as far as I would get. But this is great, to see this level of confidence and maturity in little girls, and they're actually going to be like, this is such a great correlation as well. And when I was looking at Fantastic Tara and I was watching her do all these fun things, I was just like, okay, I want Meher to do all of that and much more and to learn. So it's just wonderful. So newfound respect. I've known him 30 minutes. The first 20 minutes I was just like, yes, and now newfound respect.
This is Nitisha Sriram, and I've known her for a while now, and I think we all really need to thank her on this platform today, because
Absolutely.
I think if it wasn't for her, we wouldn't have met, and we wouldn't have seen, I wouldn't have known about Fantastic Tara and what the achievements that they made, and it was really, really, I think, Nitisha's, what do you say? It was Nitisha who got us together, so I would like to thank her. Okay, Nayan wants to say it's a divine arrangement, so, okay.
And now that we're on the subject, I must congratulate you. You don't look like you have a 14-year-old at all. You're doing a great job, and you have a daughter as well, and I'm sure you relate to everything that's happening on stage. Yeah.
Neha ji, Bollywood calling?
जी बिल्कुल आजकल बॉलीवुड में जो जिस तरह के रोल्स हैं वो सबके लिए हैं, so Bollywood's calling everyone. So yeah, doors are open.
All right, I'm gonna bring everybody back. So since we have all the children also on the stage, maybe please have the last three characters also launched, the very important ones. Littu, Aishu and Fluffy. Let's have the three character launches also on the stage, on the screen, please.